Are you wondering if YouTube TV comes with ads? It's a common question, especially for those looking for an uninterrupted streaming experience. In this video, I'll explain whether YouTube TV has ads and what you can expect while watching. Let's get into it. Yes, YouTube TV does have ads, but the good news is that they are limited compared to traditional cable or regular YouTube. Most live TV streams on YouTube TV include some commercials, as they are part of the broadcast by the networks themselves. However, YouTube TV offers a DVR feature that lets you record shows and skip through ads when you watch them later. Additionally, some on-demand content may have ads, but the platform strives to keep the ad load lighter than traditional TV. Keep in mind that YouTube TV is not the same as YouTube Premium, so ad-free videos on demand aren't included. If this video helped you understand how ads work on YouTube TV, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching, and happy streaming!